Well guys, we've had a busy weekend. Been working on the chook sheds. Nearly got the first one finished, and I've got most of the steel cut up for the second shed happening here and on the bench, which will be a mirror image of the first shed. So this is where we're at so far. So this one's finished. I've just got to have some metal tabs on the ground to mount it down. So this is looking at it from a distance. So this is the door into the shed. This is where it'll open up here and swing open. And then once inside, we've got two of these nesting boxes. So one is going to go here and one's going to go there. We're waiting for them to come in stock. We've ordered those. So they are just fixed on the back to this frame here. That's our nesting boxes. And then we've got the feeding tube is going to mount on this section and hang out here so they can stand here and eat. That's next to the nesting box. We've got our two perches. They're going to be red gum sticks, branches, but I haven't got any, so we're just gonna these are here just to show you what it's going to look like. So we've made them a V-shaped here so that different size branches can fit in that gap and still be secure without spinning around. And they go through, so they're 2 meters wide. This will be the door out into the safe caged area, which we'll show you. And yeah, we've just got a sloped roof here. So yeah, that's where we're at so far with the chook shed. I've got another one of these to make, and then there's going to be a veranda between the two of them. And these are all going on a concrete slab. And then there's a little gap over there, which means we can stand at the door and actually hose the whole shed out outside to clean it. Keep it nice and clean. So yeah, I'm going to continue building this shed. Tomorrow we're starting the concrete slab and the plinth for the safe caged area. So I'll have some more progress shots for you then. Hope you're having a great day.